When you said that, I was like, did I just say the wrong name? You gave me a look like, what? Hey, Becca?
Yes?
Hey, it's John Mendelson with the Mendelson Group over at Keller Williams.
I don't think I know you.
Hey, no, actually, you checked out a Facebook ad that I was running about a week and a half ago, and then jumped on my home search website. And I just wanted to say,
I was just looking.
Cool. And I just wanted to say thanks for checking out the website. Hey, did you find that it worked pretty well for you?
I mean, I was just looking.
Cool.
So yeah, it was fine.
So, but I mean, I'm calling everybody. I own the website. Calling everybody that was on it, just to kind of do almost like a little quality control of what my website's doing for people. If they're finding it beneficial, if I need to make tweaks on it, were you able to find what you were looking for?
Yeah, it was great.
Cool. What was it that you were
easy.
looking for, just out of curiosity?
I was just looking to see what's going on in the area.
Awesome. Which areas?
Great Neck.
Great Neck. Cool. So, what did you find? If I can ask you a couple more questions, what did you find easy about the website? You said it was really easy to use.
Yeah, I mean, it was just like clean looking, you know. It was,
Cool.
It was good.
What were you searching for in the Great Neck area?
I was just looking.
Like any types of houses in particular, like condos or homes?
Just like I don't know. I was really just like looking for like what's available. You
What's
know?
available? Yeah, there's not a lot right now. The market's pretty tight. What was it about the ad that I ran that kind of caught your eye?
God, what ad was it?
It looks like it was condos for $350,000 and under in Virginia Beach.
Yes, that's right. They were on the water, I think.
Yeah, there were definitely a number of. Is waterfront something that's important to you?
I mean, it looked beautiful.
Yeah, cool.
So, are there any rentals in there?
So yeah, actually, there's a ton of rentals in the market now. I'm not a
Awesome. Can you
specialist.
show them to me?
Yeah, I don't do rental properties. It's just not something like I specialize in. But I can definitely set you up in with the right person that does rental properties. We do have them at our firm.
Awesome.
Is that something you'd rather go rental than owning? Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, I rent now, so
Okay,
I mean,
cool.
I would rather like rent with a better view.
Have you ever thought about home ownership? If you could get the same money and get the view
I don't
by
have
owning.
the money to. I can't buy a house. I don't have a down payment. My credit's terrible.
Yeah. So a lot of people are concerned with those couple of things. So here's what I want to do real quick. It sounds like you would be a first-time home buyer, correct?
Yes.
All right, cool. So we typically walk our first-time home buyers through a really cool process to kind of show you what you will some point need to have your credit looking like and need to have your down payment if that's a thing. I'd love to get a chance to sit down and talk to you a little bit about it. Also, we can show you what is available in the rental market in that area. What works best for you if you were going to get together?
Yeah, I'd like to look at some rentals. Like I said, my credit I don't think is good enough to buy, so I don't even know if it's like worth I don't want to waste your time.
Nah, it's never a waste of my time to just kind of meet people. I'm always looking to help folks out. What makes you think your credit might not be so hot?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I've never looked into it. I just feel like you have to have really good credit to buy a house.
You know, it's interesting. It doesn't have to be like what you think, and typically speaking, folks have better credit than they think. So here's what I'd love to do. I'd love to sit down, meet you, kind of walk you through what the home buying process looks like. If it's something that you're going to be buying a home this year, that's awesome. I'm going to sell homes in 9 years as well. So what I'd love to do is just, like I said, sit down, introduce myself, and get a chance to get to know you. What works best for you, beginning of the week, end of the week?
The beginning of the weekend. We can look at the rentals too, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll put them up on this big TV in my office, and we can kind of show you what's on the market, rental and ownership.
Okay.
Okay, cool. And that's what I do.